All right, this is assignment 8, if it ever opens. It's already up there. It's due in a week. You got a week to do it. It's not difficult. Okay? Zoom in somewhere here. Okay, it says a network capture has been made between a machine and the internet. So it's internal to external. That's what you're looking for. Okay? Spoofing has some sort of spoofing attack. I didn't tell you which one. Was being performed upon the machine and is evident in the traffic capture. Attack was initiated and stopped multiple times. What I mean by that is traffic was going on. I stopped it. I started it. I stopped it. I started it. So you can see what it looks. You can see the change in pattern there. Okay. So you should be able to see the difference. Approximately every 100 packets where it changes. Like the first 100 was without the attack going on. The second 100 has the attack going on. Third without. Fourth with. Fifth without. Sixth. But by time I hit stop, 50 packets could go by, but approximately 100. Okay.
Same attack and you stop and start.
Yes. Same exact thing. I just stopped and started, so you could see the difference in normal. And initially, it is normal traffic. The initial bunch is all normal. So it's normal, something, normal, something, normal, something. Okay. So analyze the capture, determine the type of spoofing attack, and explain what the type of attack is and how you came to that conclusion. I think it's this because I saw this, that kind of stuff. Okay? Include references to packets, addresses, or whatever. Somehow you figured out which attack it was. How did you figure that out? That's all I want to know. Okay? And the packet capture is up there. I don't know how many, with 700 or so. Oh, let's see, remind me later. Okay. I think how many packets are there? There are 716 of them. So it's not 4,000. And all you really need to worry about is the pings, the ICMPs. So don't worry about the broadcast. I can't prevent that. So just worry about the ICMP packets. That's all there's lots of them. Well, if I can scroll it. See, there's lots of them in there. So if you want to filter by ICMP only, that might make it easier on you. But that's the only type of traffic you worry about. Don't worry about any of the TCP or anything like that. There might be some random TCP in here. Yeah, there's a few. But yeah, there's quite a few. So yeah, really the ICMP should be sufficient to determine what it is. Okay? But they're all up there. And all I want to know is what type of attack it was. What is that type of attack and how you determine that. If you look at this packet and this packet and you see this has changed, then when back on this packet, it's back to this again. That's all I'm looking for. Okay? Easy enough? In a week. I did it enough times so you should be able to. And actually the way I verified that I did it in there was I sorted by the source address. And then you just go to the source, just hit the down arrow, sorting by the source, and you can see, oh, something changed. Oh, it changed back. Oh, something changed. So you can look at the packet data at the bottom and see what's changing. So, not the hex, you can actually look at the text in there. So it's pretty simple to do. If you have any issues, contact me. Won't take long. Again, I knew what the attack was, so it made it a little more evident. And you should have gotten by some of the stuff I talked about which ones I explained a little better than others. So, all right? Any questions? All right, that's all you got for tonight. Man, that was short.